Good afternoon, everyone. Before we start our discussion, let's have an activity first. This activity is entitled Guess Me. Here is the direction. What you're going to do is to arrange the following jumbled letters correctly. With that, I need 4 volunteer students to go here in front. Now, let's see if your answers are correct. Very good! All of your answers are correct. From the activity we have done, what do you think is our topic for today? Correct, because our topic for today is all about the SAMR model. Do you have any idea what is SAMR model? Anyway, let me discuss it to you. Let us define first what is SAMR model. When we say SAMR model, it is a framework that orders strategies for classroom technology implementations. Meaning, SAMR model are strategies that are layouts or written into 4 stages. Before we discuss what are those 4 levels, I want you to know that the SAMR model was developed by Dr. Ruben Fuentedura, and he came up with this framework, which can. Now, what is substitution? So in substitution, the technology act is a direct substitute with no functional change. It only means that the traditional activities that we have done before, like lectures or workshop papers, are replaced into digital versions 1. It is said to be with no functional change because the content of this certain topic didn't change at all. The next step or level is augmentation. So in augmentation, the technology acts also as a direct substitute but with a functional change. Like for example, instead of using visual aids, we can also use a PowerPoint as a substitute but with an additional like videos or images. So it is said to be with functional change in a way that although the content didn't change at all, but it enhanced the lesson through using different features. So the third level or step is modification. So here the teacher can think about using LMS or the learning management system. Like nowadays we have a Google Classroom, which is easier for us to monitor our students' progress, because in this level the technology serves or helps in enhancing learning and teaching. So the first step and the last step is redefinitions, which here the teacher can think and impossible activities to happen, such as using Google Docs where other students from different countries or students worldwide can also access it. So with that, we can also develop the communications and collaborations through worldwide, and we can make impossible things to happen. For additional informations, which are the 2 levels, is said to be under the enhancement, which are substitution and augmentations, because technology enhanced the traditional learning into digital ones. While the 3rd and 4th levels, which are the modifications and redefinitions, are said to be under transformations, because the integrations of technology in teaching and learning transform the possibilities, how better learning could be, where the students here became the creators and publishers. So that's all about the SAMR. I hope you learned something, and